Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And our today's topic is how fossil fuels will last long and energy conservation methods. How long will fossil fuels last? Supplies of fossil fuels are limited and are being used at alarming rate. They will not last forever. As we know that fossil fuels are from the process of billion years and 100 years, and so it cannot be used for and it can be last forever. Fuel oil and non supply is about 50 years and it is likely to run out in 2070. Natural gas about 70 years and is likely to run out 2090, and similarly with coal about 20 to 50 years and it is likely to be run out at 2275. The table shows how long fossil fuels will last. Of course, more oil and gas reserves may be found, but it will not make much difference to these predictions. You can see that oil and gas are likely to run out of in lifetime. The fact that we are running out of fossil fuels means that we must plan our future. There are three things that can be done. It's the short question of page 37 and 39. The short question to answer of short question 2 on page 39. Again, write 3 points in the answer. Make the best possible use of the energy we get from fossil fuels, and find alternative fuels to coal, oil and gas. Find new resources of energy where fuels do not have to be burned. There are 3 best ways to conserve energy and to save fossil fuels for the future. First, make alternative best possible use of the energy. Next, alternative fuels to coal and gas, and find new sources of energy where fuels do not have to be burned. For this purpose, we will use renewable energy sources which can be used again and again in the replacement of coal, oil and gas. So conservation of energy supplies in cooler climates. First of all, conservation means making the best use of energy supplies in cooler climates. In cooler parts of the world, it is important not to waste fuel in the home, in vehicles or in industry. As we know that energy requirement in cooler climates is more than in hotter climates and in the hotter environment. When energy used for heating escapes, it is lost into the atmosphere. It can never be recaptured or used again. This is waste of both energy and money. We should conserve energy in cooler climates, because in cooler climates conservation of energy is very important. The reason is that once the energy will be escaped from the house, it will lost into the environment and it will never come back and we cannot use it. So we have to try our best to save the energy during summer winter season and in cooler climates. Next, insulation helps. Heat loss can be reduced by insulating the roof and walls of the house. The floor of the loft, roof space and the cavity in the walls can be filled with materials such as glass fiber or mineral wool, which is difficult for heat to pass through. The fibers of the insulating material trap lots of air between them. Air is a poor conductor of heat and so not much energy escapes. So how can we help this, and how can we save